జన్మాష్టమి
చేస్తున్నది.
Teacher's Day. Huh? Wow, what is your name? Huh? What's your name? ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕೀಗ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಹೋಗೋಣ
Wait. Swami.
Wait, ma. Wait. Yeah, move.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Muhammad Ali Zabib from AKG with the divine blessing of Sri Balagangadharanatha Swamiji Sri Nirmalanandanatha Swamiji Sri Mangalanatha Swamiji, Dr. N. Shivaram Reddy sir, TA of Teachers Institution, sections of teachers, parents and my dear friends. I am Gandhi Srinaina. Today we are celebrating Krishna Janmashtami in our school. Krishna is the most loving friend who accepts with all our weakness. Let us start the program by prayer. I like to call UKG friends to parents. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Arya Paramatane Pranata Kleshanashaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Change the law of the universe set by Lord Krishna. I call the reality for welcome. Jai Shri Gurudev. Hello everyone. I am Divyanshi. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Krishna Janmashtami. First I like to welcome Pujya Swamiji. they will come forward and start this auspicious day with a beautiful puja. Happy Krishna Janmashtami to you all. My pranams to all the Puja Swamijis of Srimad, respected CAO sir, exemplar, chief guest, teachers, parents and my dear friends, today gathered here to celebrate Shri Krishna Janmashtami. I am Kamsa. Ha 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 ha. I am Kamsa. I killed my sister Devaki's 7 sons. I ruled over the land of Mathura. I am Vasudeva, father of Krishna. I am Yashoda, foster mother of Krishna. He is very naughty and he likes to eat makan very much. I am Devaki, real mother of Krishna. He was born in jail in the month of Savarnamasa. I am Nanda. Yashoda is my wife. Krishna brought both up in Vrindavan. I am Balrama, younger brother of Krishna. I killed so many evils. I am Sudama, best friend of Krishna. I am Radha, best friend of Krishna. He gave the spiritual knowledge to Arjuna. It's called Srimad Bhagavad It's not only the holy book of Hindus, it's a great spiritual and fantastic living method to whole world. Lord Krishna played so many roles: mental, warrior, explorer, our lovely brothers, son, friend, a very great teacher also. I am so lucky that I am best at special friend of Krishna. I like to come Neha, a one lesson of Bhagavad Gita. Jai Shri Krishna, I am Radha. I am here to say 5 important lessons from Bhagavad Gita. Number 1, control your anger. Number 2, always think positive. Number 3, control your mind. Number 4, keep doing work. Don't worry about result. Number 5, recognize yourself. Thank you. I would like to call Vidya Balfa prize distribution.
Jai Shri Gurudev, pranams to all the Pujya Swamijis, respected dignitaries and the dayas. Education is the movement from darkness to light. I am here to announce 15th August Independence Day Fancy Dress winners. I request our Pujya Swamiji and dignitaries to give prize distribution. From UKG B section, Rachita. Vedant Natesh. Shayan Sai Tej. Muskan Sheikh. Jagat Gujjar. From UKGA session, Mudit R. Anvita. Kaushik. LKG C section, Shanvi. Kirti Reddy. Taimur Ahmad. Charvit. From pre-KG, Muhammad Darshan. Thank you, Jai Shri Guru.
Thank you, ma'am. I call Rahul for speech. ಜೈ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬೆಳಗಿನ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ನಾನು ಮುದ್ದಾನಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಸರುಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಬಾಲಗೋಪಾಲ, ಕಣ್ಣ, ಮುರಾರಿ ಎಂಬ ಹೆಸರುಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ನನ್ನ ಜನ್ಮದಿನವನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಜನ್ಮಾಷ್ಟಮಿಯಂದು ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟವಾಡಲು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಬಲೆ ಕೊಳಲಿಡುತ್ತದೆ. ನನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನವಿಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಗಡಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬೆನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಬಾರಲು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನು ತುಂಬ God who wanted to say about Krishna. Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning everyone. I am Krishna. I have so many names like Bhagopala, Krishna, Makanchu. My birthday is celebrated on Janmashtami. I have so many friends. I play with my friends and have fun. I always float because feather on my head. I like to eat makan very much. I am very naughty but very brave. Everyone loves me very much. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Now I call Swamiji for Ashirvachana.
ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕರೇ ಮತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪುಟಾಣಿಗಳು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಧೆ ಅಲಂಕಾರಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಸಿದ್ಧತೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರಮ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಪುಟಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ದೇವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜನ್ಮಾಷ್ಟಮಿ ಮುಗಿದು ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಆದರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವತ್ತಾದರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಥ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಮತ್ತು ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಶಾಲೆಯಿಂದ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ವೇಷವನ್ನು ರಾಧೆಯ ವೇಷವನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು.
Thank you to Swamiji. When we call him Govinda, we're going down to imagine his make our Janmashtami celebration more joyful. Thanks to program by dance. I invite on stage LKG